Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working again on an 11 by 14 board. It is part of my daily challenge, a 5-day daily challenge, and I'm using a gold. I'll show you the colors at the end. And these are colors I normally don't mix together, so it'll be something different for me. This is a rose gold. They are all metallics. So that'll be very interesting. They'll have a lot of shimmer and shine to them, and this is the copper. So I hope I have enough, but here we go. So there you are, look at that. Look at the sparkle in there. That's the 24 karat gold and the rose gold and copper blending so well together. Beautiful cells. Come on, focus, here we go. Look at that. I really like that. That's gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. Lots and lots of shimmer. Some gold up there. Not too much lacing, but wow. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. So I just thought I'd show you what the colors that I used. This is Deco Art and it's copper. And the again Deco Art, Americana Decor Metallics, 24 karat gold. And this is Art Minds, Brushed Metallics Rose Gold. I did use Floetrol and just some water in my dirty painted over bottle. But those are the ones that I used. And I think it turned out great. Here it is once again. There, look at that. It's just beautiful.